Hey guys, we've got two beautiful multi-saw double board edges that have just come out the workshop. They are both in fantastic condition. The one has got a 30 kilowatt motor and the other's got a 37 kilowatt motor. They're really fantastic machines. As I said before, they're locally built. They've got all their spare parts off the shelf from the normal Bearing Man or Bearing International. We're going to run two videos through this machine, one with the covers off and showing you how the machine works and how it's a slower speed. And then we're going to put the covers back on and crank the speed up and really try to see how fast we can go on it. So have a look and see what you think. So Corvus, let's start it up, crank the speed up for us, full speed, let's see if we can go. Right. So there we have it guys, this machine is a fantastic machine. You saw the speed from slow to very fast, 640 wide, multiple cuts in one time. This is a perfect machine for any sawmill. If you want to increase your production, increase your board edging capacity, get your name on this machine, give us a shout. We want to send it to your sawmill.